Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today in my kitchen I will show you a palak recipe which is called anda palak. This recipe you can also make with paneer which tastes equally wonderful, but today I am making this with egg. So the process here will be like I'll be frying the egg with little bit of salt and turmeric, but if you want you can just do without frying the eggs also. So you can put it directly in the gravy. The paneer procedure will also be same. You can shallow fry the paneer or you can use it directly in the pan. Anda palak can be eaten in lunch or dinner. So first I will parboil the spinach leaves in water for 3 minutes and then drain the excess water and keep it aside. I have already boiled 6 eggs, 2 bunch of spinach blanched and 1 green chilli. I will make a smooth paste. So first I will marinate the boiled eggs with little salt and pinch of turmeric and coat it well and keep. Next I will make a paste with spinach and green chilli. I will not add any water as little bit of water is already there in the spinach, which will help me to make a smooth paste. For tempering I have taken cinnamon sticks, cardamom and 2 whole red chilies. There are 6 cardamoms. Ginger paste, garlic paste, 2 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped. In the dry spices, I will take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Here I am using the one I make at home, but you can use the packet ones. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of white oil. Heat the oil first. And then add the marinated boiled eggs and fry for at least a minute so that it's nicely fried from outside. People who do not like fried eggs can just use the boiled ones. So it's nicely fried. I will take it out in a bowl. In the same oil, I will add cinnamon sticks, cardamom and red chili for tempering. Then add chopped onions and chopped tomato. You have to fry till the onions are nicely fried and changes its color to light brown. So here I'll add little bit of salt to fasten up the cooking procedure. So if you add salt, the onions fry quicker. In this particular dish, lot of people use sugar. If you want to add sugar, you can add sugar at this stage, but I will not add any sugar. See, the onions has changed its color. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute ginger and garlic till the raw smell of garlic is no more. Add little bit of water so that it doesn't burn or stick to the bottom of the pan. So continue to saute till it leaves oil from the sides. See, you can see oil from the sides. Now in the bowl I will add water so that all the spices mix well and pour it in the pan. Water will not allow your spices to burn and help you to coat it nicely with the ginger, garlic and onions and tomatoes. So saute the spices for at least 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. See, you can see it's nicely sauteed. Now add smooth paste of spinach back to the pan. I will add little bit of water in the jar and use whatever was left in the mixer and pour it back to the pan. So you have to stir and cook this spinach for another 3 to 4 minutes till it is reduced, and you will see it will change its color to dark green. Add salt. Always check your seasoning from time to time. So here again I have added half teaspoon of salt. Now you can see it has changed its color. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of ghee. If you do not like ghee, you can use butter. But ghee has a nice aroma which goes very well with this particular dish. Add the fried egg back to the pan. So people who are not frying their eggs will add egg at this stage. Now coat the spinach well with the egg and keep it in low flame for another 2 minutes. See, now you can see it has reduced more. If you want, you can dry it off further. It's a very simple dish. If you like this recipe, do subscribe my channel and do leave a comment. Thank you and happy cooking.